Hello guys, today I'd like to share with you one of my favorite dishes at home. Stewed radish with tofu and shiitake. Let's move to the ingredients. 300 grams radish, cut as desired. 200 grams tofu, 75 grams dried shiitake mushrooms, a slice of ginger, about 4 centimeters of cinnamon stick, and a piece of star anise, 5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons sweet soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, and 2 tablespoons mushroom sauce, a tablespoon of cooking oil, 150 milliliters of water, some sesame oil and pepper for garnish. And I will add 150 milliliters soaking water from shiitake mushrooms. Okay guys, let us wash and soak the shiitake mushrooms. And we'll use the clean soaked water later. Just leave them for 20 minutes. Just crush it. Cut the tofu to your desired size. We need a cooking pot with a lid and a spatula. Okay, let's start our cooking. Heat up the pot. Drop in the cooking oil. After about 1 minute, we can drop the ginger, cinnamon stick, and star anise. Let them saute a little while. Then saute the shiitake too. Continue saute until they get light golden brown. After that, put all the radish in the pot. Do some stir fry. Let tofu join in. Some saute for fragrance. Now we can pour in the light soy sauce. Do some saute to avoid burning base and also to evenly cover them by the sauce. Sweet soya sauce. Oh yes guys, if you don't have sweet soya sauce, it doesn't matter. You may use 1 tablespoon of sugar. Remember to saute to avoid burning base. Dark soya sauce. And finally, mushroom sauce. Saute and mix them well around 2 to 3 minutes to get them fragrant. To be honest guys, no skipping of salted part because this part is the key to get delicious stewed radish. And now pour the water and clean the bowls with left sauces inside. You know, I like to show you everything I do while cooking. I turn down the heat to medium-high. You know, I don't want to waste the sauces. This is the mushroom water. Let me show you. I'm going to use the mushroom water soon. We need more liquid to stew them. So guys, if you use stainless steel cooking pot, you maybe need 350 to 400 milliliter water to stew. We need to cover it with the lid. Let it continue to cook with lowest heat for another 1 hour. I'm going to turn my stove to the lowest heat. Okay, let's go outside with Rudy. Rudy is still a doggy and is about 20 weeks old. And he is so curious with many new things. I plan to have some rice for lunch. Stewed radish is very well going with rice or porridge. Yes, I need some greens too. Wow, my whole apartment smells really nice. Time's up. Let's have a look at the radish. My gosh, it smells so good. Let me show you again. Look, the flavor is already out. See, the radish look brown and they have absorbed all the sauces. Let's turn off the stove. Garnish with pepper. Few drops of sesame oil. I like to keep some of the stewed radish for next day. It is even nicer. Let me try. Look, beautiful, isn't it? You can guess from the color too. Great. Really yummy. Melted in the mouth. Scooping the mushrooms. Tender and tasty. Let me show you the tofu. Truly tasty, delicious. Yummy. This is my simple lunch, stewed radish. Try cook it, okay? Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and switch on the notification bell below so that you will not miss any episode. I make video of my daily cooking and baking once a month. If you like my channel, please share, like and subscribe to help it grow. And your support means a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching. See you again.